I've been hearing about Hillsdale my entire life. When I visited, I fell in love with the place. It's intangible, but there's just something about Hillsdale that really was attractive to me. I had the opportunity really to interact with a lot of different people. I had my Chi Omega sisters. I got involved in the Collegian. As I've been thinking about it, I come back to the time I spent writing for the Collegian. It was just a really fun experience. My first real class where I had the opportunity to study U.S. Supreme Court cases was a constitutional law class at Hillsdale. It was the first time I really read the cases and thought about the impact in a negative way that judicial activism can have. Learning the history of the court's decisions and how it really changed the country during the times when the court was dominated by folks who didn't respect the rule of law. It made a huge impact on me in terms of looking ahead to be a lawyer. I had run for Supreme Court in 2008. I became interested in running for Supreme Court again when the legislature changed it to a nonpartisan race. And so I got interested again and decided to run. I ran against 4 opponents in a 5-way race, ended up winning 40% of the vote. I'm looking forward to being a leader on the court. My approach is to follow the rule of law rather than decide how a case ought to turn out and reason backwards from there. When I learned I was receiving this award, I was surprised. My parents, I think, both won the award, but I never really considered myself a candidate for it, so I was very pleasantly surprised. Hillsdale College instilled in me a real commitment, I think, to service, whether it be public service or service to your family or to an institution or where you're going to go to work. I've been lucky to have watched the college grow and change since I graduated in 1987 to now, and the transformation has been incredibly positive, incredibly inspiring. I'm really proud to be a Hillsdale grad.